Hello, everyone. Today is the first lesson of our TikTok operation. What is TikTok? How do we realize monetization on TikTok? Our mobile phone system is divided into Android and Apple, which have different installation method. What kind of mobile phone you are familiar, or what kind of mobile phone you have, then you can use this mobile phone directly. The suggestion is 4G plus 32 because it will operate smoothly. Today's course is divided into 11 points, from post video to apply Creator TikTok Creator Fund. This Creator Fund is quite good, because for every 10,000 views, there will be a subsidy of 0.7 to $1.50. After 10,000 fans, we can apply this fund, and it is just this year. Then he has a 1 billion subsidy in the next 3 years, so you can still benefit by doing it now. Now that you have an account, you can already watch videos. You can watch videos in the early stage, and then you can raise the account. The purpose of raising the account is to increase the activity of our account. Then it is to edit videos. We can directly obtain them on other platforms and make a simple secondary clip and then post it. Then we also have a few tips when looking for videos. For example, some people do not have children, they may raise some animals. Pet accounts are easy to gain fans, and special effects are better for fans. Find some videos and then edit them. There will be some editing methods for videos. After editing, then transmitted the work. If your operating mobile phone is an Apple phone, your editing works are on Android phones. How do we upload from Android phones to Apple phones? There will also be methods to teach you how to transfer. After the work was released, the most important thing was to break zero. You can increase fans through our method. After the number of fans has increased, you can start the live broadcast with 1,000 fans. As long as you pass 1,000 fans, you can directly turn on the live broadcast and then continue to publish works. No video release has restricted on the works of TikTok. You can send 10, 20, or 100, as long as the works edited in the early stage are good enough. Even if your video is found to have been reposted, it will still have an impact on your video. Your video may have 0 views, but it will have no impact on your account. We can continue to optimize our editing method and continue to make this account later. Of course, you can't repost it all the time. Finally, when we reach the 10,000 fans, and we can apply for this creator fund. As mentioned earlier, there will be a subsidy of 0.7 to $1.5 for 10,000 broadcast. It does not mean that all 150 countries have this creator fund. At present, only a few countries like the United States, France, Germany have this creation fund. If we want to operate this account in the early stage, we must first know which country has this creative fund. Then make your mobile phone and your network ready to be the account creation fund in this area. We can register an international payment method like PayPal, then it can be directly withdrawn in the later period. This is our course today.